Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. World Cultures Recap for September the 9th, 2020. We worked on the Frisco Digital Project, Frisco Digital Poster. Sorry about that. So one way to get to it, remember, was through modules. And here it is, right underneath Unit 1, Week 5, Frisco Digital Poster. We did the graphic organizer yesterday. Okay, you're to use your graphic organizer to create a digital poster, and there will be a Google Cloud assignment that will appear below the video. The purpose of the poster is to convince a business to move to Frisco, so you're going to use pull factors, positive factors from your History of Frisco research and Unit 1 Interactive Notebook. Please use a good balance of images and text to create your poster, so you'll want to have some visuals included as well. It is a poster, it's not a Google slide, so only one poster is to be created, not multiple slides. Please see the video below if you need help using Google Slides to create a poster. I showed this to you in class today, whether you're one of my face-to-face students or you're in my virtual academy class. I showed this video today. The project is major grade and it follows the rubric, which we went over the other day in class. Okay, so this is going to help you to know how to do a digital poster. So remember to get that finished, and then there's a little button that you'll see that will say submit right up in this area, and so you'll hit that and you'll be good to go and it'll be all turned in. Please make sure that you submit it through Canvas and not through email. All right, you guys take care. Please stay dry and I will see you in class soon.